back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a tutorial, and it's also a collab with a person here on YouTube whose name is Kyra, and she goes by Journey in Beauty, and we have been messaging each other on Instagram and also commenting on each other's YouTube videos, and it's just really fun interacting with her. She's a project planner. She's a really creative person when it comes to project planning, might I say, and I love how she has a rather controlled collection, and that's kind of what I have too, if I don't say so myself. So I feel like we're on the same page of that. And we also have the same palette. We have the Too Faced Sweet Peach. Do you guys remember this? We decided that we wanted to create a really pretty fall look, which is what I have going on here. I know I usually don't do my makeup I usually don't show you guys the makeup in my intro, but I really hated the intro that I filmed without makeup on, so here we are. And I like this intro a lot better. So if you want to see how to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to start this tutorial off by zooming you guys in, because let's do that, especially with the lighting, you know, it's kind of like weird here. Okay, so we're working with this eye, but this is the eye look that we're doing today, and I love the way it turned out actually, but I wanted to use the shade Georgia as a transition color. This really does not show up on me. It's just a shadow to like smooth things over pretty much. I'm gonna pile this on quite a bit, making sure I'm still in the frame at the same time, because I do that a lot. See how it like really doesn't even do anything at all? By the way, welcome to my channel, because we have coffee now and everything is okay because I have coffee, right? This is the coffee cup that I spilt all over my computer. My computer is nowhere near here, it's over there somewhere, so we are not going to have any casualties. There's no technology on my desk except for my camera, but it's propped up, and my phone is right here because I have to make sure I check it for work, but it's to the side, so hopefully we'll be okay. So I want to use the shade Delectable right here. It's this purple, and I was actually kind of disappointed by this color. I feel like there's a little bit of hard pan maybe on it, because it was a little hard for the color to pay off, and it was a little patchy too, even with that transition. But we're gonna pop this right in the crease. See how like it's not as pigmented as you might think. Okay. And I do get a little bit of fallout right there. Not that this is like a review video or anything, but I just wanted to point that out. It doesn't really bother me, fallout, but it does like a little bit, I guess. Not that it would like make or break me buying a palette, but it is kind of annoying. Although it doesn't really like affect me, I guess, in a way, because I do my eyes first all the time, so. See how it's like kind of patchy right there? Can you guys see that? I just think maybe this palette is getting kind of old already, which is kind of crazy. Okay. I'm gonna have to like reapply this as we go, because even on this side it's kind of like faded already, which kind of sucks, but I'm gonna take the shade Bless Her Heart, which is this fabulous olivey green. And this is going all over the lid. Yeah, see, maybe these colors just aren't good together, but I'm just gonna reapply this. Maybe I'll wet it. Should I wet it? Let's try it. Alright. Now I feel like this is not the same as crap. Oh, I love that though. That's so pretty. Did I dip into the right shade? It almost looks like a completely different shade. Let's try again. I've got quite a bit of product on my brush. I'm just gonna... There we go. Much better. That is seriously so cool. Wow. That looks so cool against the black. Wait, I love this even more. That I did not expect it to like change color. Like I feel like it's a much brighter color. Oh my god. I love it. This palette just blew me away right there, kind of. Okay, next, I'm gonna take the shade Tempting, which is this dark, deep green, black situation here. I love this color so much. It is really, 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 really dark, so we do have to be a little bit careful, but I'm gonna put that right in the outer V area. And that purple just totally like went away. I'm so mad at it. I don't think I've ever used the purple in this palette. How sad is that? But I guess this is why. And I have to re-with that shade. That shade is hard to color. There we go. Okay, now I'm gonna blend this a little bit more. And then I'm going to take the shade Delectable, which is that purple right here again. Pile that on my brush. What do we think so far, peeps? Alright, I want to take this candied peach color right here, and I'm just going to trace the edge of the crease ever so slightly. It's not going to do too much, just kind of clean it up a little bit. Alright, so I'm just going to clean up by taking the shade White Peach right here and going, I already did that on my brow bone. Okay, so I'm going to clean up the fallout. I'm going to do my face, my eyebrows. I think I'm going to do my blush and stuff off camera too, and then just show you at the end. So you'll see probably mostly a finished face the next time that I see you. I'll come back for like liner and under eye maybe. So I'll see you in a bit. Alright, so this is the finished look with my shirt, so you can kind of see the full effect going on, and I really, really like this look. I think it turned out awesome, and I love the products that I used, well, except for that purple shade in the crease, because it kind of just like washed away completely, but everything else I pretty much love. I love the highlight that I have going on. It's a little bit strong on that side, but like overall I really like this look. It was so much fun to play with the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. It's such a good like fall palette, especially like from there over. I feel like it's so dark and smoky, and that's kind of what I did today. Thank you so much, Kyra, for collabing with me. Make sure you go check out her channel. You guys will absolutely love her. I'll have her linked below, as I usually do. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone!